Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to simplify this math problem where 8 to the power 7 minus 8 to the power 6 is equal to what? Calculator not allowed. Is equal to 8 to the power 7 can be written as 8 to the power 6 plus 1 minus 8 to the power 6 is equal to, we know a exponents rule, a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So apply this exponent rule, we can write 8 to the power 6 times 8 to the power 1, that means 8 minus 8 to the power 6 is equal to, now taking common 8 to the power 6 we will get 8 minus 1 is equal to 8 to the power 6 times 8 minus 1 is 7 is equal to, now 8 can be written as 2 cube because 2 cube are same as same, 8 whole to the power 6 times this 7. Now again we know a algebraic formula, exponent formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m n. So apply this rule, we will get 2 to the power 3 times 6 is 18 times this 7 is equal to 2 to the power 18 can be written as 2 to the power 9 times 2 to the power 9 times this 7. Now we know that 2 to the power 9 is equal to 512. So we can write here 512 times 512 times 7 is equal to, 512 can be written as 500 plus 12 times, similarly here we can write 500 plus 12 times this 7 is equal to, now we can write here 500 plus 12 whole square times this 7. Now here we know a algebraic formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now apply this rule, here we can write 500 square plus 2 times 500 times 12 plus 12 square times this 7 is equal to, now 5 times 5 is 25 with 1 2, so with 4 zeros, plus 2 times 5 is 10, 10 plus 12 is 120 with these 2 zeros, plus 12 square is 144 times this 7 is equal to, now adding this three number, we can write 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 5 is 6, and this 2 times this 7 is equal to, now 4 times 7 is 28, so we can write here 8, 2 will be carry. Now 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2 is 30, so 0, 3 will be carry. Now 1 times 7 is 7 plus 3 is 10, so here we can write 0, 1 will be carry. Now 2 times 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, so we can write here 5, 1 will be carry. Now 6 times 7 is 42 plus 1 is 43, so we can write here 3. 4 will be carry. Now 2 times 7 is 14 plus 4, so here we will get 18, so we can write here 18. So finally this is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.